As a community pharmacist, I come across many patients who suffer from hiccups for days and in some cases even months. In such cases, I suggest to them a simple and easy method which is very effective, which I am going to share with you in this video. Let's start. Take a new thin medium sized plastic bag and cover your nose and mouth with the bag tightly like this. Make sure that no air enters from outside. Then breathe and rebreathe into the bag as long as you can with ease. Then remove the bag and relax. In most cases, the hiccups will stop in the first try. If not, you can add one drop of peppermint oil in the bag itself, rub gently in order to spread the oil, and repeat the process. This process helps in relaxing the diaphragm, thus helps in stopping the hiccups. Thank you for watching.